Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liallure here, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, my name is Leah. I make videos, story times, hauls. I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Science life for the kids, you know the vibes. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, how are you? I hope you're doing wonderful, fabulous, beautiful, amazing. So you guys, today's video is actually a hair review. Super excited. Today's video is sponsored by LUVME Hair. So thank you, LUVME, for sending me this beautiful hair and working with me. Today I'm going to show you guys how I put on this beautiful headband wig, how I take care of my hair under it, and all the different hairstyles you can do. If you're a lazy girl but you're a cute girl like me, make sure you stick around and see how I work this magic.
So once again, this hair was sent to me by LUVME Hair, and the hair that I am going to be working with today is the Deep Wave Affordable Headband Wig. This hair is, of course, deep wave, which I was excited about because I've never really had deep wave hair. And LUVME is actually my mom's favorite hair company, but I never had hair from them, so I was excited to see what they had. So the box came with the wig, of course, but it also came with a few items that I was very impressed with because the quality of it was very good compared to what I'm used to getting in my purchases. For example, they had this really cute pair of earrings, and y'all know that sometimes hair companies be sending these very flimsy lashes. LUVME sent me these really cute lashes that I can definitely see myself wearing, you know, when the pandemic slows down. And speaking of quality, I know y'all see these headbands. Aren't they just the cutest headbands ever? I really like this first one because I think this color is one of my favorite colors right now. It's this really nice beige velvet. Then we have a black polka dot, followed by a traditional cheetah print. You know the vibes. Then a really cute gray one with gold stars on it. Super, super cute. You know what it is. And then last but not least, we have a nice clean white headband because every girl needs it. So the hair itself was constructed very well. Even before I brushed it out and put it on my head, I could tell that it was a good quality headband wig simply because the curls were super, super tight. I ran my fingers through it. I didn't have any shedding, no tangling, nothing like that. It just was really soft hair. And if you never had a headband wig inside, this is what the inside looks like. It has an elastic strap that straps onto the back of your head. Usually has 3 combs, and it's just made to secure your head so that it doesn't really slip off. So this is what my hair looks like under the headband wig. It's nothing special. It's just like a simple, cornrow braiding pattern. I didn't do it myself. My mom did it for me because unfortunately I cannot braid to save my life. Anyway, so I do a lot of things to make sure my hair stays nice and hydrated under these wigs. The first thing I do is I spray my hair with either water or aloe vera juice to keep it hydrated. Then I go ahead in with some moisture milk, and last but not least, I use some oil, particularly castor oil, to seal in all that moisture. So basically I do the LCO method. To fasten the headband wig on, I like to make sure that the back of it is already strapped. Then I go ahead and I put it over my head. And I don't really use the combs in the wig because they tend to hurt my head. I have a very sensitive scalp. However, I found that this wig in particular was very secure because of the way the actual headband part was constructed. After the wig is secured to my head, I go ahead and I use a comb and I brush out the curls. Because this is deep wave hair, you want it to be nice, big, and fluffy. So I use the comb to like brush as much as I need to in order to get the look that I desire. After that, I'm going in with some oil just to give my hair a little bit of shine, not too much. You don't want to be beastie, just so it could look, you know, nice and shiny.
Wait, hold on. I know that this was mostly like a voiceover video, but this hair is so pretty. Oh my god. I've never had deep wave hair and I'm like so impressed with this. Oh my god. It literally looks like I'm every woman. It's all in me. Like, come on. Come on, big hair. And I'm not even done like combing it out. Oh. This hair is gorgeous. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay. Continue, continue.
Now that my wig is safely secured to my head, let's get into some hairstyles because gorgeous, gorgeous girls wear headbands that match their moods.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro test song, give me that tempo. Told Pooh he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she's Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.